How to make photo widgets on iPhone. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap on Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. On the widget screen, use the search bar for convenience. Type photos into the search bar, and then tap on it from the results to see the available options for this widget. Swipe to choose your preferred size. For this example, I am choosing the album widget. Tap on Add Widget to place it on your home screen. After adding the widget, tap on it while in jiggle mode to customize its content. As you can see, a menu will appear. Tap on Album and then tap Choose to select a photo album for the widget to display. The widget will now display photos from your selected album. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add a custom photo widget on an iPhone.